Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we have a package that arrived. I teased this on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram and you'll see little teases like this. So let me grab some scissors or a knife or something and let's cut this open. Okay, so I have a little knife here. Let's slice this open. Assuming that this is the package that I think it is. I had ordered two things, and I think they're coming. Whoops, hit the back. I think they're coming at different times. So this came today, and I think the other one's coming tomorrow. So, let's see if this is what I thought it was. Aha! So this is what I thought it was going to be. So these are the Kasa, I don't know exactly how you pronounce it, smart Wi-Fi plugs. These are the mini version. It's also a 4-pack. It's compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa, and SmartThings. So it's by TP-Link here, and I've wanted a set of these for a while now, and now I have them. So these are good for plugging lamps into things that you want to control as if they were smart devices. So yeah, I bought 4 of them. They come with a 2-year warranty, as you can see up in the corner here. 2-year warranty. It even gets you the number to call if you need it. The model number is, well, technically it's not all a number, but the model number is HS103P4 if you want to pick these up. Links should be down in the description below for these if you want a pair as well. This is just kind of an unboxing. There's not really much more on this box. Yeah, not really much on this box. So let's just open it up. So I'm actually surprised that there wasn't a little tape thingy keeping us from opening it. But I mean, I'm not complaining. It's not like I'm gonna have any problems with it. So we open them up. We have just kind of a quick, well, this is the French one, so I don't need it, but this is just a quick rundown of what to do. So there's that. I will be setting this up with my Google Home. That'll come later in the video. Just a little piece of foam for protection, and here's the plug. So there's 4 of them in here, which I would assume there should be because I ordered 4 of them. So let's pop one out. Okay, so they're actually quite compact. So here's comparison to my hand, right? So they're not, and then they're not tiny, but they're not huge, right? So there's a little button on the side. This ring here allows for a little LED indicator as to whether they're on or working or whatever. Basically, this just plugs right into your plug. This is the standard American plug for anyone who's not here. Okay, look right up. Once you plug this in to your wall, you can then plug whatever it may be into this side. So that would be like a lamp, a coffee maker, whatever. You can plug it directly in here. I don't think there's much more in the box. I mean, yeah, there's nothing much to this unboxing. There's a few little things, super simple. Tells you exactly what to do. And we got the plugs here, a little piece of foam. So let's move on to getting these all set up. Okay, so we are on my phone right now. We are going to grab the Kasa, the Kasa app. So we're going to have to go download that real quick. So let's just go to the App Store. Download Kasa Smart, I believe it's called. Yeah, there it is. Download that and install that. And then when it's done, we're gonna open up the app, and then we're gonna plug in the plug, and then it should recognize it. Okay, so now that it's downloaded, we're gonna open up the app. Yes, we do want that. Do I seriously have to make an account? Okay. Well, let's make an account. Check my email, click to finish registration. Here is the kind of face of the application. I believe now is the time to plug in the smart plug. It says to like that. I've already given local permission. Google Assistant. Oh, do I have the Google Home app already installed? I'm okay. So we have to do this actually through the Google Home app. So I'm going to plug in the Kasa smart plug, and then we're going to go from there. I've now plugged it in, and let's go to the Home app. Oh, for goodness sakes. Okay, it's reinstalling. Let's watch it reinstall, guys. So how's your day going? Mine has been frustrating, but I hope your guys' day has been going well. Ooh, it's downloaded. Okay. Yes. Yep. So let's connect to this bad boy. Cool. So it looks like it's been linked. Let's go back here. Set up a device. Yeah, whatever. Smart plug. Yes, you can use it while I'm using the app. We will let you do that. Oh, it's this one. Yes, we've done that. Yes, it is flashing, well, green. No, that's orange. What are you talking about? I have not done that. Let's go do that. So let's connect to the Wi-Fi there. And then we are going to hop back into the app, and we'll go from there. Cool, so we are now connected. Let's hop back into the app. This is actually really easy. Like, way too easy. It's just gonna connect to it. After this, we can test it out, get it going. Let's name this one. So this one will be connected to my duck lamp, so let's name it duck lamp. So that'll be the icon. Go save. Yay! Sounds good. Let's update the firmware. Getting a lot of notifications right now. That's really annoying. Yay! Update complete. Okay, let's hit done. And look at that. Look at that. It's named duck lamp and everything. It's right in there. That's so cool. Okay. Yeah, so that's really simple, actually. I don't really know what else to use my 3 other plugs for at this moment, so we'll just get this one set up with my duck lamp, and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna leave off from here, and we'll get my duck lamp set up. You'll understand what I mean by duck lamp when I get it set up. So yeah, I will leave you off here, and we will go and get that all ready to go. Back, I don't know if you can see it, but, hold on. So behind my bed is my plugs. Yeah, there's no way you're gonna be able to see this. But under there, if you look under my bed, all the way back there, I have a bunch of plugs. Right? So, ooh, bet you I can reach in there. Let's see. Nope. You will not be able to see this, but I plugged in the smart wall plug into the wall, into my power bar that's under there. And, so after that, I plugged it in, it set itself back up again, which is awesome. I wanted that. And now, whenever I want, I can tell it to turn off or turn on my duck lamp. This is my duck lamp here. So I can be like, hey, turn on my duck lamp.
Got it. Turning the duck lamp on.
Boom, it's on. And if I want to turn it off, hey, turn off my duck lamp.
Okay, turning the duck lamp off.
Look at how cool that is. Yeah. It is a very... This product is not for everyone, but it's something that I wanted because it's cool to fully automate your house. And yeah, it's fun that way. I thought that would be cool. I'll probably end up setting one up for my lamp here that I use for my top-down set. This one here, I'll probably hook one up to there, even though this is touch. I don't really have anywhere else to put these plugs right now at the moment, just kind of my lamp. I have another lamp here, but there's no light bulb in it, so there's kind of no point into putting that in there. But I know this is a short video, sorry, there's not really much more to say about it, but what are you laughing about? Jackson's laughing about something. Anyway, but if you enjoyed it, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you think this is going to be an interesting video for someone else to watch, share it with your friends, share it with your family, do whatever, and I will see you in the next video. That's kind of the idea.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
No, I'm going to get copyrighted.